We cannot accept, the Hills people cannot accept Krishnendu Paul as the HED minister. HED minister means Hill Area Development Minister. And we cannot accept Krishnendu Paul as the HED minister. We want HED minister to be from the Hills people, because HED minister is for the development of the Hills people, and he or she should understand the pain and sufferings and the history of the Hills people, or else the HED minister won't be effective. If I ask you to put an auto tire in a truck, it won't fit. If I ask you to put a bike tire in an auto, it won't fit. Likewise, HED minister means Hill Area Development Minister, which is for the growth and development of the hills. So the hills people should be allotted as the HED minister. And not only that, is our 5 MLAs of Karbi Anglong not capable enough to take the post of the HED minister or any cabinet minister? Are we being suppressed, or are we not important enough? You say you prioritize the tribals. You say you have given growth and development to the people of Karbi Anglong and Dima Hasao. Then there are 5 MLAs from Karbi Anglong and 2 MLAs from. The guardian of Karbi Anglong and West Karbi Anglong is the CEM of Karbi Anglong, and the MLAs of Karbi Anglong and the MPs of Karbi Anglong. Piyush Hazarika is not our guardian. Karbi Anglong is a 6th scheduled autonomous council. We have our own CEM, and he is our guardian. And we have 5 MLAs who represents us in the Assam State Assembly, and they are our guardians. They are the ones who will voice our concerns and our aspirations in the State Assembly. So don't suppress us, don't fool us around. And you say Karbi Anglong is developed. Apuni koi je Karbi Anglong bahut develop hoise. Karbi Anglong bahut unnati hoise. Karbi Anglong Mohanagari bahut develop hoise. Flyover bonale development no hoy. Flyover bonale development no hoy. Ami murkho no hoy je amak flyover bonai dile ami development boli bhabim. Amio Guwahati Mohanagorit goi paisu. Amio Delhi Mohanagorit goi paisu. Amio Kolkata Mohanagorit goi paisu. Amio bibinno thaitor ami goi paisu. Amio janu development ki hoy ki no hoy. Flyover bonai dile development no hoy. Karbi Anglong rasta bonise. Apuni heitu asok je rastar quality kimanu bhal. Kimanu bhal ete sok. Moi jor asu sok. Rasta sok. Sok rasta sok. Eitu rasta deithoro rasta hol. Thik ase? For more than 15 years, we didn't have any blacktopping road. E phalor pora bahut bali aru pathoror truck jai. Taxor namot bahut poisa yat pora loise etu bali aru pathoror truck pora. Kintu etu gawe ki paise? Itya after more than 15 years, rasta aise etya. Assam mala rasta aise, Assam mala. Kintu rasta ভাল হবে না বেয়া কোনোবাই তো লক্ষ্য কৰিছে নে আমাৰ কাৰ্বি আংলঙৰ হাইৱে 4 লেন যেটো আমি কওঁ এক্সপ্ৰেছৱে আৰে সব কাৰ্বি আংলঙৰ 4 লেন is one of the worst 4 lane. The 4 lane of Karbi Anglong is one of the worst 4 lane. You need to be very careful even while driving on the 4 lanes, or you might encounter an accident. If you don't believe, go by yourself. Are আমাক আপুনি খালি ডিপুৰ এটা দুটা জায়গা কনস্ট্ৰাকশন যদি কৰে আপুনি হেতু ডেভেলপমেন্ট বুলি ক'ব নোৱাৰে যে Amar manu hatot paisa nai. Even bamboos supplier are facing a lot of problems. Tax hente eta truckot 3,600 rupees dibo lage. Aur ekta bamboo dam kiman hoy? Kitaba 20 toka hoy, kitaba 25 rupees hoy. Imane? You are not generating an income for the people and you are levying excessive tax on the people. What will the people eat? Why is tax taken? Tax is taken so that you can improve the economy, you can improve the region, you can improve the education system, you can improve the livelihoods of the people. But where are the tax being utilized? Amar manunde khabole paisa nai. Lora solik pohabole paisa nai. Aru jodi ma deutar ta jodi paisa nathake, tete lora solik keneka pohabo? Apuni kobo pare government school ase, pothai dio government school, education free, uniform free, books free, pencil free, pen free. Hole apuni go amar government school kimanu bhal? Have you seen any politician children studying in a government school? Why not? If you are so confident enough that the government school are very good, why don't you send your children to the government schools? Why are you sending them to the private schools? I have studied in a private school. It's because my parents could afford my education. But not everyone parents can afford their children's education. And due to which, the children goes to a government school. They don't get the right track. They don't get the right education. And they don't achieve anything in life. Jene tene somehow or the other metric pass hoga. Finish. So please, take that thing out from your mind that Karbi Anglong is developed. Karbi Anglong is still very, 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 very poor. Don't spread this narrative that Karbi Anglong is rich, okay? And don't spread this narrative that Karbi Anglong has progress. It's not. Come to the ground. Don't only visit Difu. Go and see the outskirts. Even the outskirts of Difu are not developed. So my point is that excessive tax system should be removed in Karbi Anglong, whether it's on bamboos or any other products. Because the people here are poor, they don't have enough money to pay the taxes. Don't levy excessive tax on the people. And Taxation Department of Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council, please note this well. There has been excessive tax on bamboo. And the bamboo growers and suppliers has been facing a lot of problems. In Silesian Revenue Circle, a tender has been issued. A 40 lakhs tender has been issued. On what basis you are issuing 40 lakhs tender? Have you studied the ground reality? Have you assessed the ground situation? And on what basis the molders are charging 3,600 per truck? So let me tell you, Karbi Anglong is not developed. Karbi Anglong is still poor. Etu bostu apnalage sobe janok je Karbi Anglong itia bahut dukhiya ase. Karbi Anglong develop hua nai, Karbi Anglong progress hua nai. Eta duta je kiba building banai dile etu development no hetu apnalage ekdom bhalke jano. Second to kotha to all, HED minister should be from the hills, not from any other place. Because HED minister should know the pain, sufferings and history of the hills people. And not only that, Piyush Hazarika or the cabinet minister is not our guardian. The CM of Karbi Anglong, the MLS of Karbi Anglong and the MP of Karbi Anglong is our guardian. And we have 5 MLAs to represent in the state, the Assam State Assembly. Or else what is the purpose of the 5 MLAs? They are our guardian. That's the reason why they are representing in the state. If they wouldn't be our guardian, then they wouldn't be representing in the state. So we can never accept Krishnendu Paul as the HED minister of the hills. And we cannot accept Piyush Hazarika as our guardian. Our CM, our MLAs and our MP is our guardian. Please know that well. Please don't fool around. Don't make us fool around. We are not fools. Don't expect that we will be silenced every time. Enough is enough.